Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I built an entire SaaS using Codex on the $20 per month plan. No expensive tools, no big team, just automation and creativity. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. This SaaS is called Automation Tribe, a platform that lets you turn simple screenshots into viral vertical shorts for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, all in just a few minutes. You don't need any motion design skills. Just drag, drop, and render. I created this website for myself because this is exactly how I generate shorts that fit my needs. And if these reels are working well for me, I thought it would be nice if you can create the same shorts also for your business. My website animates your screenshots, syncs them with your audio, and exports crisp 9 by 16 videos that are ready to post anywhere. And I'm going to document this entire business and show you every step I used to build it, from idea to launch. You'll see how I created the website, how I promote it, what tools and hosts I'm using, and even how much money it makes. Everyone who joins the Automation Tribe community will get full access to the platform, plus a transparent view of the business itself, how much money I make, and how I promote it. You'll see how many users I get each day, what automations I build to promote it, and what's actually working. So if you're into vibe coding and you want to learn how to create and promote your own business, I recommend you subscribe to the channel and join the school community because I'll guide you through everything step by step. Now let me show you how this is already working and what you can create with it. Let's create your first video. The first step is to upload the screenshot you like. In my case, I'm trying to promote an automation from N8N. I'm on a Mac, and to create a screenshot, I press Command plus Shift plus 4, then drag my mouse to capture exactly the area I want. The second step is to upload the MP3 file with the voiceover or background music. You can generate it with any tool you want. In my case, I'll use 11 Labs. After you upload the screenshot and the MP3, position your image where you want the video to start and click on Add Keyframe. Then play the audio file a little, just until you start talking about the next step. Pause it, and then zoom the screenshot where you want the video to move along. When you're happy with the positioning, click on Add Keyframe again. Now, once you have 2 keyframes, you've already generated a video, but this is not all. Since the sound is longer, you can keep listening and adjust the screenshot to stay synchronized with what you're saying. Whenever you want to add movement or focus, click Add Keyframe again. If you want to fine-tune or fix something, click on the eye icon to return to that frame. Here, you can zoom in or out or reframe it by clicking the reframe icon next to the eye icon. Please note that you can always move the playhead back to the start, click play, and watch the movement to see how it will animate in the final video. You can also delete a keyframe anytime if you don't like it and recreate it again. And when you're done, click on Generate Video. In 1 or 2 minutes, your final video will be ready. A red button will appear. Click it to preview your video. Once you're on that page, click on the 3 dots to download the video. And that's it. Your first automated short is ready. I'm going to keep updating this software with new features. And if I see that you enjoy this type of content, I'll be documenting every single one of them here on the channel. I'll also be adding new tools, all available directly inside the same platform. So everything you need will be in one place. If you'd like to access the platform, you can go straight to the website. You'll be able to try it out, but to unlock full access and use all the features, you'll need to join the paid community. I have some amazing ideas coming up that will make this platform even better. I'll be adding more tools, more automations, and powerful features that I think you're really going to love. And if there's something specific you'd like to see, just leave a comment below, and I'll try to document every step of how I build it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next updates, because this is just the beginning.